A few months ago, an email accidentally went out to all our subscribers about an event that was only open to our Practice Accelerator coaching members. Some people who learned about the event by accident wanted in, but they couldn't join. Our assistant felt terrible and offered to email everyone again, owning the error and apologizing. I said no. An apology went out, but it went from me. Why? For two reasons. First, because we're a team and we don't throw individual team members under the bus, and second, because the mistake resulted from a process problem, not a person problem. Welcome to Gimbal's Tip of the Week, where you get practical, actionable advice you can use right away to start building a more productive and profitable legal practice. For the last 2 weeks, we've been looking at root causes of inefficiency in your law practice. If you've been following along, you'll know that root causes tend to fall into these 6 broad categories: methods, environment, technology, knowledge management, clients, and people. Check out our tip on methods, environment, and technology, and then last week's tip on knowledge management if you missed them. So last on that list of 6 are root causes that relate to clients and other people, and that includes your team, opposing counsel, judges. I'm sure some of you are thinking, wait, a lot of my problems are caused by people because other people are making mistakes or they're procrastinating. And sometimes you're right. Clients may procrastinate. Despite all your best efforts, they may give you the wrong information or even lie. Another firm may churn a document or overwhelm you with paper. A team member, may really be uninterested or careless. And that's why clients and people are on the list of potential root causes. But they're at the bottom of the list because when it comes to improving efficiency, it's usually all about the process and not the people. You see, people are very good at adapting to broken processes. When something doesn't work or we don't understand exactly how to do something, we just create a workaround. And then we continue to use that workaround instead of solving the underlying problem. But that workaround is like the Band-Aid we've talked about before. It fixes the symptom that we see or feel, but not the root cause. And that root cause continues to fester until it can no longer be ignored and causes even bigger issues. This week's tip is to remember that while clients and other people may be at the root cause of a problem you're experiencing, most often there's something else going on. Perhaps your clients put off filling out your intake form because it's too long, or because they don't understand some of the questions, or because it's not a fillable PDF and they don't have a printer. Maybe that team member is making a mistake at one point in the process because he hasn't been trained, or the precedent hasn't been updated. Your action item is this. The next time you consider blaming a person for an error or a delay, look deeper. Ask yourself why the error or delay occurred. It may indeed be the person, but most often it's not. That wraps up our series on the 6 most common root causes of process problems in your law practice. Just to recap, they are methods, number 1, number 2, environment, 3, technology, 4, knowledge management, 5, clients, and 6, people. Join us next week for more tips on building a productive and profitable law practice. And if you want to achieve your goals faster, join our Practice Accelerator coaching program. You'll get regular coaching from us and a panel of industry experts, plus access to a year's worth of courses, guides, templates, and other resources, and a community of like-minded people. We'll be there every step of the way in one-to-one coaching and accountability calls to make sure you succeed. Join today. We have a few open spots left.